Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to be trying out a new subscription box we've never done before. So let's say those magic words and give it a shot. Bibbidi Bobbidi Box! Boom! Check that out! It worked! Alright, so that's all coming up. We're going to go through what's in this box and what else they offer. That's all coming up right now. Alright, here we go. So before we get started and go climbing into this box, I just wanted to go over some of the things that Bibbidi Bobbidi Box offers for different subscriptions. So, starting with the Sparkle Box for $9, that offers you some decals and magnets. The next step up is the Bling Box, that's $19. That has 2 pins in each box, so that's a pin collector's box. Followed by the Dreams Box, which is a $39 subscription, and that is 3 Disney items in each. The Wishes Box is $49, and that contains between 3 and 5 items. Then is their most popular box, which is the Fantasy Box. That's $59, and that has 3 to 5 items as well, but they're a little bit, worth a little more value in those. And then we've got this box, which is the Ultimate Magic Box. This one is $119. It has 1 designer item, which like Loungefly or Danielle Nicole. And then it also has 3 to 5 other Disney items inside. Then, besides the Disney stuff, for some reason they offer wizard stuff. I don't know who's into that kind of stuff, but apparently Harry Potter is popular somewhere. I haven't really actually looked into those, but it sounds pretty cool. And then they have some combined boxes. The combined boxes are like some Disney stuff, some Marvel stuff, some Harry Potter, and those are one-time boxes. Those are not subscriptions, so you can just order one and just have a whole bunch of different stuff in it. Alright, so that being said, I have been waiting for this one for a while, so let's see what's in here. Check out this box. That is really cool. And the pattern goes all the way around. That is very nice. I like it a lot. For me, the shipping boxes really help show the quality. Makes a difference to me. Alright. Let's see what we're starting with. Oh, so there's some little confettis in here. Put a picture of this up on the screen. So this really is the first time. I've never peeked, I've never done anything, so when I look down and I'm trying to decipher what it is, it might take me a second on this one. We'll throw this up on the screen for you to take a peek at. Then the packing slip is in here, and from what I've seen before, this is like a spoiler sheet. It tells you what's in the box, what the value is, so I'm not going to open this quite yet. And then in here, we've got some nice tissue paper. There's their little Bibbidi Bobbidi sticker. Let's go. Holy cow. Alright, so we have I haven't actually seen this one before. So there is a huge Loungefly in here. And it is 101 Dalmatians. Look at that! That is really cool. I like the colors, the gold zipper. Very nice. Mary is going to love that. That is very cool. And it's going to look really good behind us. So I think... Okay, so that's all we've got actually in the box itself. The rest is in the backpack. So let me move this out of the way. And let's see what's inside. Front pouch, big chunk of styrofoam, that's for free, that's all mine. Inside, we have got a Loungefly wallet. Let me, again, I hate the noise these make. Let me just get this off of here. All right, isn't that much quieter? I love that. So this is the Queen of Hearts. peek. That is very cute. I don't know. Oh, these are her earrings. Very nice. See if there's anything inside of here. Free styrofoam. And that's everything that's in here. So there are tons of places for cards in there. Lots of little zippered compartments. That is very cool. All right. See what else we've got in here. We have got... Oh, I really like this. Discount snaps get me again. All right. So this is a keychain, and I am a sucker for Mickey stuff. That is cool, and it's got the better clip on it. I like that very much. Super cool. And I think we've got one more thing in here. Make sure there's nothing in the side pockets. All right. So this is actually our first patch. We've never gotten a patch before, and this one is Official Mouseketeer, and it's kind of tough to see with the plastic on it, so let me just all right. Where'd it go? Oh, Stitch has it. Stitch, throw that over here real quick. There we go. Check that out. So I've never collected patches before. Not a huge fan, but it's cool. So I wanted to talk a little bit. That is everything that's in here. So again, this was the Ultimate Magic Box for $119, and I will put a tally of everything that was in here and what it was worth. I'll throw that right here. Boop. And so I just wanted to talk a little bit about the experience of actually signing up for this. So last week's video was Walt Life. Wasn't very impressed with Walt Life. Not a whole lot you can do to customize it, just male, female, or what age group. This one is, you can do male, female, or neutral, and then you can pick a age group as well, but then they still want to know more. So they want to know which characters you like. It's more in-depth. None of them so far for me are as in-depth as Magic at Your Door, but this again is my first box from them, and I am impressed. I like what's in here. These are not inexpensive items, as you can see. I'm gonna order again. So far, so good. Let's keep on rolling. If you'd like to see last week's video of the Walt Life box, you can click on it right here. If you would like to subscribe and see our videos every week, click on the button right here. Till then, I hope you're having a great day.